Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I come forward with another vacancy for you and that with the vacancy detail. But before that, if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, because after that you will have the notification of my all upcoming videos. Now the today's vacancy is in the Employees State Insurance Corporation with the post of junior residentship. Total number of the posts are 16 in number. Don't you find it a very good opportunity in the month of January? So if yes, then definitely apply for it and then thank me later on. Now let's see the qualification detail. The qualification required for the JRship, that is the MBBS, BDS or even the NMC. The last date that you can apply for this vacancy is the 19th January 2023. ESIC Patna job notification releases the information for the hiring of the 16 junior resident post, which has been released on their official website, which is shown on your screen. Candidates who are planning to start their career with ESIC Patna can apply or can have a walk-in application on or before 19th January of this year. Qualification in detail: a recognized MBBS or a BDS degree qualification included in the first schedule or the second schedule or the part second of the TRD Indian Medical Council Act 1956. Holders of the educational qualification included in the part second of the third schedule should also fulfill the subsection 3 out of section 13 of Indian Medical Council 1956. Registration should be done for the MBBS and the Dental Council of India or the State Council for the BDS respectively. Internship should be completed as on date of interview. Now most important part is apna sapna money, that is the salary detail, and the salary is rupees 72,000 per month. Age limit is there, that is 30 years of the age limit. Age relaxation is also there, that is 3 years for OBC and 5 years for ST/SC. All fee includes rupees 225 rupees and the fees is exempted for SC, ST or even for the servicemen or the PH fees. Their fees has been exempted. The payment mode is offline and the selection process is based upon the walk-in interview. Now the most important part is how you can apply for this vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates have a walk-in interview should submit their application in the prescribed format along with all the relevant documents at the time of council room, College Building, ESIC Medical College and Hospital, Bihar, Patna with the pin code that is 801103, and the walk-in interview date is the 19th January of this year. So all the very best to all the graduates, whether you are a MBBS or a BDS. Do apply for the JRship and then thank me later on. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. And if you want the important questions regarding those questions which has been asked in the JRship interview, don't forget to DM me for the JRship important questions PDF. It is already available. Definitely a paid PDF is there. And along with that, don't forget to check out these two videos regarding the interview and how to crack the walk-in interview. That's all about the today's video. Hope you like this video. Then hit the like button to this video. Thank you for watching.